Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Check your PSU wattage and 12V rail capability so the card draws safely. Once done, locate the required PCIe power connectors, 6-pin, 8-pin, or 6+2, and inspect cable condition. Make sure the system is powered off and unplugged, then ground yourself with an anti-static wrist strap. This prevents damage. Now remove the case side panel, clear obstructing cables, and position the GPU near its PCIe X16s with the slot exposed. Align the card and press down evenly until the retention latch clicks. You should feel a positive lock. Once seated, route the PCIe power cables from the PSU. Make sure connectors approach straight on, avoid sharp bends, and use cable ties to tidy and relieve strain. Match the GPU's required plugs exactly. If it needs two 8-pin, don't substitute a 6-pin plus adapter. Confirm a snug connection, then replace the case bracket screws to secure the card. Reconnect the PSU to the wall and flip its switch, then power on the PC. Watch for GPU fan spin and post signals. Once booted, install the manufacturer GPU drivers and monitor voltages and power draw with software tools to ensure stability. If the system fails to post or the card shows no power, immediately power down. Reseat the GPU and PCIe connectors. Try a different PCIe cable or spare PSU to isolate the fault. This single-step swap often identifies cable versus PSU issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.